Hi, I'm Kim.
And I'm Dan. We're the Vision team for Remax Marketing Specialist. We're going to introduce you to a new listing that we have in a very, very interesting piece of property. This is right off of Sunshine Grove Road on Sweet Gum, 2.5 acres. It is fenced and cross-fenced, ready for your horse or other animals that you may wish to have. And there's some other features of this home that we want to show you, especially in the back. Don't know that you'd be interested, but you might know somebody that is.
So welcome to 13316 Sweet Gum Road in Brooksville, Florida. And let's have a look at what's inside.
Come on in. We're going to show you the inside of this house. Remember, it's on 2.5 acres, mobile home. What year is this?
1998.
1998, and it's in excellent condition. So we're going to show you the inside, then we're going to show you the outside, and I have a little surprise in the back that I want you to see. You may not be interested, but somebody's going to be interested in what I'm going to show them.
We've got about 1,500 square feet of living in here. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with some vinyl flooring, some nice vinyl flooring as you can see. Obviously, this is the living room over here, dining room, nice sized dining room. Over here, the kitchen.
Wait a minute, somebody's at the door.
Okay.
You're going to be all right? I'll get the door. I can't imagine who this is. Mr. Money!
Hello, how are you?
Patriot.
Hey.
How you doing?
I'm doing good.
Thank you for coming.
Just stopping by to see one of your new amazing listings.
Well, we're glad because we want you to handle the financing when the buyer comes along.
Good.
So how can they finance?
Well, we can do all kinds of financing on mobile homes. This one, I believe, qualifies for FHA with 3.5% down. You can go conventional with 5% or a VA loan with no money down as your primary residence. There's also qualifications for 10% down if you want to buy it as just a winter home, where you can live down here in the wintertime and go back up north in the summer.
So is it more difficult to buy a trailer than it would be a conventional block home with home?
No, there's more costs involved in a manufactured home compared to a regular single-family home, but the financing part of it is about the same.
So you're telling everybody that's watching this, you will finance this house?
Correct. I will be able to finance this house, FHA, conventional, or VA.
Well, you are Mr. Money.
Well, thank you.
All right.
Thanks for visiting with us today.
Well, we were just in the middle of talking about the house, so can you hang with us for a little bit? All right, great.
Absolutely.
Anyway, like I was saying, this is the main home, open floor plan. Anyone that's in the kitchen doing their thing can be talking to whoever's out here, which makes it real nice. So welcome to the kitchen. It's a great size. Obviously enough room for table and chairs in there. Dan, you want to show you?
No, sorry.
No.
Sorry.
The pantry. Okay, so here's another view of the kitchen, right? We've got the laundry room over here, washer and dryer, with some cabinets for storage. You already saw the pantry that Dan just showed you. So I wanted you to get a feel for how large this living room is. They have nice big furniture in here. And again, it's very open. Hey, guys!
Yeah.
What are you doing? Well, let's go see the bedroom. Really? Oh my gosh.
The bed is actually a little comfy.
Why don't you just come on in and make yourself at home? And what are you doing?
Well, I'm testing out the features of this bathroom. This is one big tub, man. Or I'm a little guy. And they have a shower, and a sink, closet, and you know, what else they got. And it's a really nice bathroom. Really big.
Well, obviously you can see that this is a very large room. It's got big furniture, nice spacious closet over here, with lots of stuff in it. So this is so pretty in here. It's fully tiled, so it's really easy to clean. You comfortable?
I could use a little water.
And some bubbles. Anyway, This is a newer cabinet with granite. You have some storage right here and your commode. This is just a really pretty master bath. Okay, so again, we have 2 other bedrooms, and we have a nice, recently finished.
Granite top.
Yeah.
With the little bath here.
Very pretty tile in there.
A lot of space in these bedrooms too. Nice sized bedrooms.
Yeah. So like Dan said, these rooms are nice and large. Plenty of room for lots of furniture. This window here makes it nice and light and bright. And both spare bedrooms have a beautiful walk-in closets. So space, space, space. It's all about space, and we've got plenty of it here. So here we are in bedroom 3. Again, very spacious. This is some large furniture in here and another walk-in closet. So what do you guys think? Dan? Jay? Oh, where did they go? Where did they go? Where did they go? These boys. Dan? Jay? Jay, Dan, what is going on out here?
We're feeding the chickens,
Are
Kim.
you kidding me?
You want free eggs?
Exactly. Think about it. Whoever buys this property could get these chickens, have free eggs every morning.
I can't believe you're dragging Jay into this.
It was his idea, Kim.
I'm in there
I was
talking
trying.
to myself.
I know. I was trying to do the video, and he said, "Let's go feed the chicken."
Oh, I'm sure that's what happened.
Chicken's gotta eat too.
Okay. Can we just get back to what we were doing, please?
Okay, this is my surprise, Kim. This is a pigeon coop. It's also used for the chickens as well. But these are prize pigeons. It's not just birds. You take these pigeons out, apparently. I don't know a whole lot about this, but you take them a long distance away, let them go, and the first one back wins. Now, I am told that there is a pigeon that sold, one pigeon, for $10,000. So if anybody is in like pigeon racing or whatever you call it, we've got the whole coop right here, or it could be converted into whatever you want. So one more time, Jay, tell us how you're going to finance this place.
This beautiful property, again, remember, it can be financed with FHA with 3.5% down. Conventional, you can go as low as 5% down, or a VA with no money down. So give me a call to get you pre-qualified. I'll get you pre-qualified for free, and then call the Vision team, and they'll be able to show you this lovely property.
Thank you.
Very good. Thank you.
Jay is our premier lender, and I'm telling you, he does the job. So if you need a lender and you want to buy this property, we got a dual team here that is a success. Anything you want to say, Kim, before we bid them bye?
Well, I just wanted to also, we haven't mentioned that there are 2 other buildings here. One was previously used as a pig pen, and I guess the chickens are using this as a coop, but there's also another building over there that the chickens could use. So, and I think we already talked about it, but the chickens can stay if you do
Free
like
eggs!
Free eggs!
Yeah.